What's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. Today we are kind of jumping back to a fire vase that I made not too long ago. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I made it out of Spalted Sycamore, so I got a good amount of Spalted Sycamore from, well, it wasn't necessarily Spalted, but I got some Sycamore from the zoo here. So I've got this other large quarter piece. I'm going to be cutting this up a little bit on the bandsaw to narrow it down, make it a little easier. And we're going to do another hollow form of some sort. I'm going to make this out of this Sycamore. Got a couple ideas going on along in here, trying to figure out what I want to do and how we want to go from there. So at any rate, stick around and let's get to going. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that project with the Spalted Sycamore vase. Got the black India ink from my nephew for Christmas. Thank you, Nathaniel. Had been really wanting to use that, so this was a good project for me to use it on. Wanted to accentuate that rim, give it a little bit of a classy, or what I consider to be a classy feel, to offset that spalting, so the horizontal with the black rim will go in, you know, kind of going against that vertical look of the spalting running through the piece. Drilled the holes in it. I ended up doing India ink on the inside as well, just to make sure that it was all black all the way through it. Thought it would look nice that way. So we have our finished project. We have our Spalted Sycamore with the holes drilled in it. So light could show through if anybody wants to use that. Black rim on the top with it open, pretty thin all the way through. Got it hollowed out so the walls are less than a 1/4 inch thick all the way down, and really happy with how this turned out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment, feedback down below. If this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you. The channel growth we've seen Can't wait to keep moving on with what different projects happen. So at any rate, we will catch you next time.